Hi, this is the installation for a Hilux 7 shade. So first what you need to do is unfold the shade from the packet, contour the shade to the curve of the door. So by contouring, you can use two thumbs or you can use your stomach to bend the shade. So after you've done both sides for this particular car, all you need to do is place the shade into the framework. So the next step is to make sure that the far left hand magnet, the top right hand magnet, and the lower corner right hand magnets, so you pretty much shift it in a anti-clockwise direction, and you'll have these 1, 2, 3 magnets attached to the door. After that's all done, you can slam the door to test to make sure that the shade is in place. And that's your installation for the Hilux 7 shades.